In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send large files using Google Drive with no limits. If you have ever tried to email a big attachment, you already know how frustrating size restrictions can be. Google Drive eliminates all of that, and in this tutorial, I will guide you through a smooth, reliable method that works every time. To begin, open your browser and head into your Gmail inbox. Once you are there, click the Compose button in the top left corner to start a new email. This is where we will attach and share our large file. Instead of using a regular attachment, which often fails with bigger files, we are going to use the Google Drive option for maximum compatibility. Look at the bottom of the new email window and click the Google Drive icon. A panel will open that lets you upload files directly into Drive. Choose the Upload tab, then click the Browse button to locate the file you want to send. Whether it is a long video, a large PDF, a high-resolution image folder, or a full project backup, Drive can handle it without any trouble. If the file is extra large, Google will automatically suggest sending it as a link. This is extremely useful because it bypasses all email size limits and ensures your recipient can access the file instantly. Once the upload is complete, you will see a Drive link appear inside your email. This link is lightweight, easy to share, and works on any device, which makes the entire process much simpler than attaching the file directly. Before sending, click the link settings to adjust permissions. You can allow viewing, commenting, or editing depending on what the recipient needs. Setting the correct access is important, especially when you are sharing sensitive, private, or collaborative files. If you want extra security, you can also restrict downloading or limit access only to specific people. After confirming everything looks good, press Send. Your recipient will receive the message with a clean Drive link that lets them open or download the file without delays, errors, or size warnings. It is fast, reliable, and perfect for work, school, and personal projects. And that is all there is to it. Google Drive is one of the most dependable ways to send large files, helping you avoid slow uploads, blocked attachments, or bounced emails. It is a powerful tool to keep in your workflow, especially if you regularly share videos, design files, or important documents. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials that make technology easier and more enjoyable to use.